Recently, a 6.9 magnitude earthquake hit Cebu, leaving many families affected and in need of urgent help. And when this happened, one Bini member decided to take immediate action. Through her outreach initiative, iAdvocacy, Aya Arceta of Bini started a donation drive to support her fellow Cebuanos. In just a short time, the drive has already raised over 440,000 pesos, thanks to the generosity of fans, blooms, and caring individuals across the country. People online praised Aya for her leadership, compassion, and heart, proving she's not just an idol, but a true inspiration. But Aya isn't alone in this mission. The other Bini members also joined the effort and donated 200,000 pesos to further support those affected by the earthquake. Their unity and generosity show that Bini's bond goes beyond music. It's about sisterhood, empathy, and service to others. Bini has once again proven that fame means little without compassion. Through iAdvocacy, Aya and her members are spreading love and hope to those who need it most.
Hapon.
I will keep this short. I want to say thank you so much. Thank you. To be honest, people who volunteer, the volunteer work, charity work, maka-inspire kayo siya. And to be honest, ako sad. Nag-start ko nga, nakakita akong mga videos kay iAdvocacy. Yes. And that's the reason sa iAdvocacy na-inspire ko doing it. And that's also one of the reasons na ka-fuel na ako to keep doing more, to work hard. Kay, whenever I work hard, I get to share what I do. So I hope hinganap pa rin yung mindset. So thank you so much again for your service, guys.
Well, to all the Cebuanos, thank you so much. Kay, syempre, as a fellow Cebuano, maka-proud sa ating town. And actually, mo na reason na nanisip ko din kay aside sa ganang katabang, ganang ko maka-witnessan. And like kanina, nag-repack me. Kita na ako mga friends, nagiging ako nakita, kapag ko siya kung ano matter sa senior high. So, it's really a collective effort. It's beautiful to see everything na we're doing things in one big goal, one big intention, and that's always to help one another. So, yes, I hope nga na lang po yung intention natin mga Cebuanos. And salamat kayo sa inyong service. Maka-inspire sad kayo mga. Thank you. Salamat kayo.
Thank you.